How to add YouTube video to Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a YouTube video. As you can see, you can go ahead and embed it, or you can go ahead and copy and paste the link of your video, and then you're going to add it into your website. So we are going to head over here. This is my channel and this is my video. So we are going to have only the URL of our YouTube in here, or the YouTube video. We're going to copy it. And the second thing, or the first thing that should be in or prepared already, is going to be the H panel of your Hostinger. You're going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see the H panel or the dashboard of your Hostinger website. Now we are going to head over the left side of the screen, select websites, click on websites list, and then we are going to see all the websites that we have created. Basically, we are going to choose the website that has the Hostinger website builder logo, which is going to be this one, the square, the Scantuned square. You're going to click on edit website, and from here, you're going to see all the parameters that you can add to that website. Once you have here everything, now what are we going to do is to set up the first method. The first method is going to be consistent of adding a blank section, and that blank section we are going to add an element. So basically we're going to have here videos that we are going to drag and drop. This is the element. We're going to make our maybe video, as you can see here, a little bit bigger, smaller, or whatever. We're going to double tap on the video or edit the video, and then you can put the YouTube link. For example, in here, I'm going to paste my YouTube, as you can see, or you can go ahead and upload a video. So this is our YouTube video. As you can see, we have put the same video. This is the cover video, or this is the cover image of that video. So we're going to head over here. We're going to see it. This is it, and this is it. This is the, as you can see here, the video. Now, what can you do also is you embed the whole player as you can want. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to add an embed code, and that embed code is going to be in here. Double tap, delete the code that we have here. Head over the YouTube video of yours, or the video that you want to integrate. Click on the share button, and then you're going to click on embed. And you can have some options like showing the player control or enable the privacy enhanced mode. So we are going to copy that code. We're going to paste it in here, click on embed, and you are going to see the YouTube player embedded into your website. That is going to be also another method. And you can also, let's say, control the height and also the width of the specific embedded video, and then you can have it in here. It is going to be a second method, but preferably are going to add only the link from videos in here, and here you have it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.